Okay, what I have here is a Lumix G7, okay, with a Neewer, I think that's what they call it, remote flash. So if I press the test button, flash works. Press the test button right next to it, flash fires. Okay, go right next to it. Now, with the camera, I'm having some misfires. I just did a wedding, and where the flash misfired, I had to turn off the camera, and hope for the best. Unfortunately, because of it, I missed some shots. So I can't get it to always misfire, but I can get it to almost do this every single time. So see that? Nothing. I gotta stand far away from the camera. I get it to flash. See that? The closer I get, I gotta get far from the remote. Sometimes I can get this close. But see, here's the crazy thing is, at first I thought maybe it was the flash or the receiver. I had this old Canon. I'm gonna take the same receiver off. If I can get it off, it's hard to do it with one hand. Pause it right here. So here we go. I took it off my Lumix, and I put it on my Canon XTI, my old Rebel, and flash, right against it. Oh. Flash. Can you get it focused? Flash. Like I said, right next to it. Probably should have put a small lens on it. So I'm shooting this lens today. See that? Right next to it. But yet, on a G7, which is my new camera, I can't get it to, can't figure it out. See, here it is. I'm going to take it off. It is so sporadic what this does, I can't figure it out. For instance, let's start first so we get a flash, alright? Go a little bit closer. Come on. No flash. Flash, isn't that weird? No flash. And you can see the red light's on in the flash too. See that? I can't figure it out for the life of me. Like I said, I just shot a wedding and I had the flash directly mounted to the camera. See, here's the red part. If I press the test, I can be right against the darn thing. And it'll flash every single time. It's like something's wrong with the hot shoe. But I don't get what the difference in it being way over here. Oh, look at now, I'm not flashing at all. See what I mean? It's so sporadic. It's almost like something's wrong with the hot shoe on my camera. Say, even with the flash directly on it, I shot a wedding and missed a lot of very important shots. So any ideas, let me know.